Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new feature in Audio Eraser. So an AI-powered tool in Gallery that analyzes video audio track. It separates out the different sound sources like voices, wind, crowd, nature, and ambient noise, and lets you reduce or remove unwanted sound. So in One UI 8, they have made an improvement where you don't need to go ahead and go into Galaxy AI. You can go ahead and apply Audio Eraser on the clip itself without going into Galaxy AI. So let me show you how to do this. So here I'll go ahead and open up Gallery, and I'll go ahead and open up one of my video which I've created. Now here you can go ahead and tap on the sound, and when you unmute this video, you'll see this Audio Eraser. In One UI 7.0, you needed to go into Galaxy AI. Now from here, this will basically analyze your video and it will give you all the suggestions. However, in One UI 8.0, they have now included the option just in your gallery. So you can go ahead and quickly tap on that icon and this will completely erase the noise from your videos. So this basically improves your audio quality. It makes your audio more cleaner, more professional. It's very helpful if you're recording in a noisy situation, and it saves the editing effort. You have less steps to go into and you can quickly just tap on that and erase the audio. So there's no need of external software on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is a new feature in Audio Eraser on One UI 8.0. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.